How to transfer apps from iPhone to iPhone. So let's get started. So the easiest and hassle-free way to share apps from iPhone to iPhone is by eardrop wirelessly. Of course, you can transfer apps from iPhone to iPhone via Bluetooth because eardrop relies on Bluetooth. Put your two iPhones together and enable the eardrop features and Bluetooth to share apps between iPhones. So, on the source iPhone, hold on the app icon for a long time and you want to share and select the share app option available there. Now, after that, tap eardrop in the pop-up menu and select the name of the new iPhone. After that, click view on the other iPhone to download the app from the App Store. And that is how easy is it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.